This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Lisa Page. Motivated seller. All reasonable offers will be considered. Waterfront, 2-bedroom 2-bath, 1,705 square feet. Living space, new roof, hurricane impact windows and skylights installed approximately 4.5 years ago. Concrete block construction, 2-car garage home located in Coventry of Cocoa. This home had a HUGH Addition increasing the square footage to 1,705 square feet. And is much larger than the typical home in this neighborhood. Additional features include open concept eat-in kitchen/dining room, spacious bedrooms, huge living room, washer and dryer hookup is in garage. Tile flooring throughout home. Well-established neighborhood with community pool and tennis courts. Conveniently located to grocery stores, pharmacy, short drive to Causeway and much more. Orlando Airport 25 minutes drive, beaches 15 to 20 minutes drive, Merritt Island 10 minutes drive. This home will go fast, don't miss out. For more information